morning to all. Standard 7th, Unit 1, Geography part. The topic name is Exploring Continents North America and South America. Dear students, I ask two questions. First one, how many continents are there in the world? Yes, answer is 7. Second one, how many oceans are there in the world? Yes, answer is 5. Dear students, today we are going to see new topic is cattle rearing in North America. Cattle rearing are carried on a commercial scale in the part of prairies in the southwestern part of United States. Cattle and sheep are kept in large ranges. Richer pastures are used for cattle and poorer sparse pastures are used for sheep. North America is the largest producer of meat and about 1/4 of the world production. Let's see dairy farming. Dairy farming refers to rearing cattle for milk. It is an important industry of USA and Canada. Dairy farming is found in the cooler and humid part of the prairies, Great Lakes areas and northeast region along the Atlantic coast. North America produces about 25% of the world total milk and dairy products. Fisheries. Fishing is important in the seas around the continent. Grand Bank is one of the world's best fishing grounds. Do you know Grand Banks? Grand Banks is among the world's largest and richest resource areas. It is located in the island of Newfoundland in Canada. Let's see minerals. Dear students, take book page number 145. North America has rich mineral resource. North America is the leading producer of iron ore, petroleum, natural gas, copper, silver, sulfur, zinc, bauxite and magnesium. Lead and uranium are the other important minerals. North America has large deposit of oil and natural gas. The United States, Canada and Mexico are among the world top oil producers. The important minerals in North America are iron ore, copper, silver, gold, coal, petroleum, oil and natural gas. Industries. North America has plenty of resources and is needed for industrial development. Industries are highly concentrated in the northeastern part of the continent because of large minerals deposits like coal, iron ore, etc. and good transportation network like roadway, railway and canals. Iron and steel industry. The North American continent is the world's most important iron and steel industry center. Iron and steel industries require iron ore, coal and cheap transportation. The United States is one of the most industrialized countries in the world. Industry contributes about 25% of gross national product. The United States ranked first in iron and steel industry. They use the latest technology in developing their industries. Heavy engineering industries. Industries which require heavy and bulky raw materials using power involvement of huge investment and large transport costs are called heavy industries. These industries depend heavily on the iron and steel industry. The important industries are automobile industry, aircraft industries, shipbuilding industry, railway industries and farm equipment industry. USA is the largest producer of automobiles. Wood, bulb and paper industry. About 50% of the world wood, bulb and newsprint is produced by North America. Canada is the large producer and exporter of all kinds of paper in the world. Paper industries are particularly concentrated in Ontario and Canada. Textiles industries. The textile industries includes the manufacturing of all textiles like cotton, woolen and synthetic. The United States is the largest producer of cotton textiles. Moreover, the cool and wet climate of the area is most suitable for spinning and weaving as the yarn does not break frequently. The woolen textile industries are located in the east of the Allegheny Plateau. The New England region contains 70% of woolen textile industries. North America is the second largest producer of synthetic The meat packing industry. This is an important industry in Canada and USA where cattle rearing is done on a large scale in the prairies. Chicago, Kansas City, St. Louis in the United States, and Calgary and Winnipeg in Canada are the important meat packing centers. Population in North America. Most of the people in North America are descendants of settlers from other parts of the world. The first among them were the Europeans, arrived in the 16th century. Today, the small groups of Native Americans that remain have their own territories and followed a traditional way of life. Population distribution. The North America has about 4.77% of the total world population. The largest country by land area is Canada. The largest city by population is Mexico City. The population density is about 20% per square kilometer. Population and density. Population area divided into three categories: densely populated area, moderate populated area, sparsely populated area. Languages and religions. Most of the people speak English, Spanish and French. Various faiths have been a major influence of culture, philosophy and law. Between them, 80% of the people follow Christianity. United States of America is known as melting pot. They creating new culture. Eskimos live in the very cold and inhospitable region where plenty of fish varieties are available. They were able to dress themselves in thick warm cloth made of fur. They live in igloos. Their lives were very simple and they could not alter the environment to any extent. They especially designed by house by ice and is known as igloos. Transport. North America has developed a well-designed network of roadways, otherwise called freeways, railways, waterways and airways. Roadways. North America, especially USA and Canada, have the best laid roadways in the world. The superways or freeways make traveling easy and fast. Railways. North America is extensively served by the efficient network of railways. Transcontinental railways and Trans-Canadian railways or link the east and west coast of Canada and United States. Chicago has the biggest railway junction in the world. The New York Railway Junction is one of the busiest railway stations in the world. Waterways. The Great Lakes region along St. Lawrence and Mississippi rivers are the most important inland waterway in North America. Do you know, children? Panama Canal. In 1914, a canal was cut across the Isthmus of Panama for 80 km long, which connects the Atlantic with Pacific Ocean. Airways. Airways provided in valuable means of transport. All the cities and industrial centers in North America are linked by airways. New York, Chicago and Mexico are some of the international airports in North America. Trade. North America exports a host of agriculture and industrial products. The main export are industrial machinery, automobile, paper, fish, wheat, bananas, meat, aircraft, chemical, plastic, fertilizer. North America imports include coffee, sugar, textiles, iron ore, electronic goods and cocoa. The countries of Europe, Japan, China and India are the major trading partners. Okay, students, today's homework, I give some questions. You read and write 2 times. Okay, you should write home test.